Hey, Chuck. Chuck. You gonna do it now? Don't throw that over. Chuck. Do it. Do it. Do it. No. Well, do what you're doing that you thought was funny. I know you're gonna throw that barn over. Chuck. Barn. Oh! What? Whoa! Surprise! You fell. Hey, Doodle. Say, darn barn. Did you find a leaf from the other day? No, we don't eat leaves, remember? We've talked about this, but we don't eat leaves. Hey, ready? Go. Can you show us? Chuck, can you show us how you do it? Can you go? Ready? Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, that's funny, bud. You're funny.